Alright, so the beginning part of this video I somehow recorded sideways, so please forgive me for that, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so I have all the pieces cut out here. I have 2 pieces that are longer on the sides and then 2 pieces that are shorter. The longer pieces are the outside and the inside, the shorter ones are the lining. So I'm gonna take a longer piece and the shorter piece, and I'm gonna hot glue the seams of these together, and then I'm gonna do the same for the other pieces, and then after that I'll be back and I'll show you how I finish them up. Both pieces, so the shorter ones on the inside. So I'm gonna take you're gonna flip one over so they're like this, and then you're just gonna hot glue the seam together. What it looks like whenever it's all hot glued together, and you can go in and trim a little bit off. So when you turn it inside out, it looks like that. Now, since I don't have elastic, I'm going to take this old piece of t-shirt, and then I'm going to cut 4 strips out of this. Okay, so I have my 4 strings now. 4 strings, but before I glue them, I'm going to flip the mask inside out again. And I'm gonna fold the edges so it gives it, I'm gonna fold the edges so it gives it a cleaner look. That's why we wanted the longer piece on the outside. I'm going to take the strings, it for this little tutorial. I mean, it's not the most professional, but you know, it'll serve its purpose.